Welcome to Machine Masters 79. Remember to subscribe to the channel because your support is essential to me. Many thanks for considering my request.
The beginning of the Bulldozer Era. James Cummings and J. Earl McLeod developed the first bulldozer in 1923 in Morrowville, Kansas. They invented a large blade capable of pushing dirt forward and being attached to the front of a tractor. They used a tractor with endless chain treads because it was explicitly designed for plowing fields. 1925 was the year that they were granted permission to patent their attachment for tractors. A large front blade and a powerful engine are the distinguishing characteristics of a bulldozer. These characteristics allow the machine to move significant quantities of material. Despite the widespread adoption of large rubber wheels, continuous treads are still standard on many modern bulldozers. The chain prints on the bulldozer help disperse the machine's weight, making it simpler for operators to maneuver it over uneven terrain. Around the world, people use bulldozers to move large quantities of material, such as dirt, stones, rubble, or any other material. Mines, quarries, farms, and construction sites all require them to function correctly. Before the invention of motorized vehicles, bulldozers had large shoveling blades. When they were first invented, they were initially drawn by mules or horses and were utilized extensively on farms to move dirt. Benjamin Holt established Holt Manufacturing Company to produce tractors with treads for farming and agriculture. These automobiles earned the nickname Caterpillars over time. And in 1910, he renamed his company the Holt Caterpillar Company to reflect this moniker.
In recent decades, the bulldozer has witnessed remarkable advancements. We discussed the incorporation of GPS technology for precision grading, the introduction of autonomous and remote-controlled bulldozers, and the ongoing pursuit of eco-friendly designs with reduced emissions and improved fuel efficiency. Finally, we examine the lasting impact of bulldozers on the global scale. We highlight their role in infrastructure development, urbanization, disaster recovery efforts, and environmental restoration projects. By shaping the landscape and transforming our surroundings, bulldozers continue to be vital contributors to progress. The journey of the bulldozer from its modest beginnings to its current state of technological sophistication is a testament to human ingenuity and our constant quest for improvement. As we conclude our exploration of the bulldozer's origin and modern development, we recognize its profound impact on the world and its ongoing significance in shaping the future of construction and beyond.